Okay. Good, right? Nope. Yeah. It is right here. Yeah. Okay. For the record, I'd like to formally introduce myself. Peace be to my brother. I, St. John the Divine, would like to introduce myself in the...
Yeah, as soon as he's finished here.
Okay. Good day. Peace be to my brother. Okay, as I stated from the beginning, all these illegal acts that have been taking place, the law enforcement of Calgary, Alberta, and the government of Canada have refused and neglected to do their jobs. Moreover, all departments are still partaking in this illegal and criminal act. It is a violation of human rights, charter of rights, religious rights, among other things. Slander, defamation of character, and what's the other one? Character assassination. Now, I'm stating before one officer, two officers, and whatever witnesses. All this will cease and assist. And as a high priest and a Messiah, I'm declaring this an illegal act. And this vendetta that you have caused and brought upon this lady, slandered her, brought false evidence against her, this is far from over, okay? This is a notice. This is a notice.
It's over right
this
now.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
So
So,
you
no,
have no
you're
right.
not about...
You were not even occupant
Oh,
of this
excuse
unit.
me. I'm dealing with this gentleman, please. Thank you.
We're not,
In my hand is a notice that I'm serving to you from the Court of Queen's Bench, which is an injunction stopping this illegal and criminal act. And it will be brought back before the Court of Queen's Bench. You are not above the law, lady, and you're not going to bully, threaten, or intimidate nobody. Okay? Moreover, the things you stole from her yard the last time you were here, I want returned. Okay? And you have been served. Okay, thank you. So, this is a recording of this document being served to them, and this will also be posted. And this is public notice.
Okay, thank you very much. So,
Yes,
unfortunately, contrary to what your documents might say, you don't have a right to be here.
Oh, yes,
You
I
and
do.
everyone inside the
I
room
have been
to
left
leave.
as agent
So,
by Mrs. Breckenridge. Give me your phone for a sec.
Yeah.
Okay, this gentleman's here to bear witness too. And as I said, if you govern above a judge and you're above the law, enter me.